Gad Insider's top picks will make it easier for you to choose a suitable iPad case. Apple's recently launched 11-inch iPad Pro 2024 stands out for its powerful performance and sleek design and is available for $999. The device is lighter compared to earlier iPads, featuring a Tandem OLED display and a new M4 processor. While some Android tablets offer more functionality and flexibility, there's no doubt that the iPad is still the best productivity tool, especially for professional work. However, iPads are fragile and require the same level of protection as Android tablets, especially when you are getting it for a higher price. Therefore, a case can easily prevent it from scratches or marks, as well as provide other features like storage for the Apple Pencil and a kickstand. Selecting a case for your iPad is indeed a difficult task, especially with so many options to choose from. To make it easier, here are our top recommendations to get you started. Best iPad Pro 11-inch cases. Spigen Ultra Hybrid Pro. The Spigen Ultra Hybrid Pro is specifically designed for the iPad Pro 11-inch. It has a dedicated storage compartment for the Apple Pencil and a built-in kickstand. It also features air cushion technology to help absorb shocks. It is available for $32. Apple Folio. This case comes in 3 stylish colors, mirroring the beautiful and thin design of the iPad. It attaches to the device magnetically and provides overall protection. It is also adjustable, enabling you to set it up for video calls, reading, or watching a show. It is available for $79 on Amazon. ESR Shift Magnetic Case. The ESR Shift Magnetic Case is available in 5 colors. It keeps the iPad Pro safe from accidental drops. It is available for $43. Suitcase Unicorn Beetle. This is a heavy-duty, rugged case. The dual-layered shield helps absorb shocks. It also has storage for the Apple Pencil. It is available for $33. Taro Leather Case. It offers an elastic strap that wraps around the front cover to keep it securely closed when you're not using the iPad. It is available for $70.